Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download vignette overlays for Premiere Pro, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download vignette overlays for Premiere Pro, start by opening your web browser. Search for free vignette overlays for Premiere Pro. Browse the results for reputable websites that offer video overlays. Select a website that suits your needs and is known for quality content. Once on the site, look for a search bar or a section dedicated to overlays. Type in vignette overlays to find relevant options. Review the available downloads to find a style that you like. Click on the desired vignette overlay. Read the description to ensure it's compatible with Premiere Pro. Locate the download button on the page. Click the download button to begin the process. Your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a destination on your computer for the downloaded file. After the download completes, navigate to the folder where the file is saved. If the overlay is in a zipped format, right-click on the file and select Extract All. Follow the on-screen instructions to extract the file. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing project where you want to use the overlay. In the Project panel, right-click and select Import. Locate the extracted vignette overlay files and select them. Click Open to import the overlays into your project. Once imported, drag the vignette overlay to the timeline above your video clip. Adjust the length of the overlay to match the duration of your video. Select the overlay in the timeline and go to the Effect Controls panel. Use the opacity slider to blend the vignette with your video. You can also adjust other settings like scale and position for finer control. Preview the result by playing the timeline to see how the vignette looks. Make any additional adjustments to achieve your desired effect. Once satisfied, proceed with editing your project as needed. Export your video when complete, and enjoy your new vignette overlay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.